Intermittent problems are the absolute worst kind of car trouble. One minute your car runs perfect, the next it hesitates or surges, and then it fixes itself before you can even get to a mechanic. If you manage to catch code P0114, you have a lead. This code stands for Intake Air Temperature Sensor 1 Circuit Intermittent. The keyword here is intermittent. This usually does not mean the sensor is dead. If the sensor were dead, you would likely get a circuit high or circuit low code. Intermittent means the signal is cutting in and out, like a flickering light bulb. Your engine computer uses this sensor, often called the IIT, along with a mass airflow sensor to calculate exactly how much fuel to spray. It needs to know if the air is dense and cold or thin and hot. When the signal drops out, the computer gets confused, causing that stumble you feel. Now, I want you to ask yourself a question. Did you or a quick lube shop check your air filter recently? This sensor is usually mounted on the air intake pipe or inside the air cleaner box. The number one cause of this code is a connector that wasn't clicked in all the way after an air filter change. It vibrates loose while driving, breaks contact, and throws the code. Pop the hood and find the sensor. Wiggle the connector while the engine is idling. If the engine stumbles when you touch it, you found your problem. Check the metal pins inside for corrosion or spread terminals that aren't gripping tight enough. If the connection is tight, inspect the wiring harness for breaks, especially where it bends. It is rarely the sensor itself, but if you have a multimeter, you can watch the resistance change as you heat the sensor with a hair dryer. If the numbers jump around or drop to zero suddenly, the internal thermistor is bad. But 90% of the time, this is just a loose plug playing tricks on you.